Hey guys, ever wondered how a thumbnail is made? Today I'm going to show you how I design a client's thumbnail from scratch. First, create a new document, 1280 by 720 pixels, 300 dpi resolution, use 16-bit color mode if your computer can handle it, otherwise 8-bit. Alright, now for the background, select a soft round brush with blue and paint across the background layer, dragging the noisy texture and set the blend mode to soft light. Fill the background layer with black using the paint bucket tool. Then add a hue saturation adjustment layer to get this blue color. Now drag in the main subject. Resize and use select subject tool. It's not perfect, so clean up the edges manually. Use a white soft brush on the mask to paint back the tape. Here is my reference thumbnail. Now I'm adding the animation graphics from my client. Use the rectangle tool to create frames around each animation. For rounded corners, drag from the corners, so adjust the pixel value using properties. Add a fill to each rectangle, then clip the animation side. Repeat for the second animation. After resizing, adjust the corner radius if it looks too rounded. For the text, I'm using yellow for contrast against the blue background. Click the curve icon and pull up slightly for the curved text effect. Add inner and outer gloss. Duplicate the text layer with Alt drag. Change it to white and add white outer glow with the gray gradient. Add a drop shadow so the text doesn't blend with the background. For the graph overlay, drag in the graph image, scale it down, duplicate it across the canvas, press Ctrl I to invert, then change blend mode to colored edge. Lower the opacity if it's too distracting. Now for the subject retouching. Double click into the smart object, create a hue saturation layer, drop saturation to 0, paint on the eye and teeth with white. Add a curves layer, lift the highlights and paint on the grey parts of the eyes. Add another hue saturation layer and set it to colorize and paint blue in the eyes. Create highlights and shadow layers using curves adjustment layer. Paint highlights where highlights hits, shadows where it doesn't. Back to the main composition. Add a camera raw filter. Add a drop shadow under the subject so he doesn't blend with the background. For the After Effects icon, use a curves layer with a slight middle adjustment. Add outer glow and paint the AE in the logo with white on a solid color layer. Add a blue solid color layer set to linear dodge blend mode. Clip everything to the icon and convert to smart object. Duplicate the icon as needed. Merge everything with Ctrl Alt Shift E into a new layer. Convert to smart object and add final camera raw adjustment, exposure, clarity, vignette, and grain. Paint black on text areas to remove the vignette. Alright, that's the final thumbnail. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more tutorials.